So welcome to this physics class. We have this question, Physics 2023 Waec number 1. I'm going to be solving series of these Waec questions till the end. Now the question has it that a force K equal to Vx, V raised to power x, this is rho, that rho which is PHO, rho, which is a symbol for density, has a power of y, and A has the power of Z. Then we say that F is for force, V is velocity, and this rho is for density. Now the question is, find the value of X, Y, and Z. And this is a question on dimension analysis. How do we solve it? I'm going to first of all write the dimensional analysis of force, write the dimensional analysis of velocity, write the dimensional analysis of density, and after that I am going to solve it according to the principle of exponential equation. If I be able to solve it according to the principle of exponential equation, I am going to have my answer. Now how do we do it? Let's get started. The first I'm going to do is the formula of force, and the formula of force is mass times acceleration. And the dimension of that is mass, dimension of mass is capital M. Dimension of acceleration is going to be Lt raised to power minus 2. Now, what is dimension of velocity? Dimension of velocity is going to be V is going to be L raised to power minus 1. Then dimension of density, from the formula of density, rho is equal to mass over volume. And dimension of mass is capital M. Dimension of volume is L raised to power 3. Now I'm going to put all of them here. Remember, K is a constant. It is dimensionless. That means it does not have a dimension. So let's put it, in place of F, I am putting this value, which is going to be M L raised to power minus 2 equal to K does not have any dimension. It's just there for nothing. V has a dimension of Lt raised to power minus 1, Lt raised to power minus 1, but then it is now powered raised to power x. The next one is rho, which is density, and this is the dimension of density. Another way of writing this is going to be M L raised to power minus 3. So I'm going to have M L raised to power minus 3, all raised to power y. And then A is area. The dimension of area is given as L raised to power 2, then to the power of Z. Now, these are all the dimensions, so I'm going to do the simple mathematics. What do I do? I'm going to open all these according to the principle of indices. So I'll have M L raised to power minus 2, which is equal to K. This X will be distributed to the power of the ones inside. So this is going to be L raised to power X, T raised to power minus X. Now, this Y also is going to be distributed to the power of M and the power of minus 3. So this is going to be M raised to power Y and L raised to power minus 3Y. And this is going to be L raised to power 2Z. The next thing I'm going to do is all the ones that are the same base, I will add their power. So this is going to be M L raised to power 1, this is M raised to power 1, T raised to power minus 2 is equal to K. Now L is going to be all the ones that are L, their powers will be added. So I'm going to have X minus 3Y plus 2Z. Now this is T raised to power minus X. Now this is M raised to power Y. So everything have been grouped according to L, T, and M. So all the ones that are L will be equal to the power of this one. So this is 1 is equal to X minus 3Y plus 2Z. Yes, and this is the first equation. All the ones that are T will be equal to the power of T. So minus 2 will be equal to this minus X. So minus 2 is equal to minus X. So simply put that X is equal to 2. The next one is M. M and 1. Look at this. So Y is going to be equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to Y. Now, in this case, I have found the value of I have found the value of x. X is 2, y is 1, then remaining z, I am going to find the value of z. So what should I do? This is 1, which is equal to x is already found to be 2, minus 3, y is already 1, plus 2z. So this is 1 is equal to 2 minus 3. Now 2 minus 3 is going to be minus 1 plus 2z. Now this minus 1 coming here is going to be plus 2. Therefore 2z is equal to 2. Therefore z is 1. Now I have found the value of x to be 2, y to be 1, and z to be 1. Thank you for being part of this class. Remember, the noble thing to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment. Thank you.